Okay, so you have your Disneyland tickets or your Magic Key, and now you want to actually go to Disneyland, right? Well, these days you need a reservation to be able to do that. So I'm going to show you in this video how to make a reservation to be able to go to Disneyland, but stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to cancel or modify a reservation as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the official Disneyland app. Open up that app, and on your home screen at the very bottom middle, there's going to be a little plus sign. You're going to tap that plus sign and a list of selections will come up, and you're going to want to tap Make a Park Reservation. Okay, so the first part we're going to talk about is how to make a reservation. So you're going to scroll down just a little bit and you're going to hit that blue button that says Make or Modify Park Reservation. From there, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to hit the Book a Theme Park Reservation button. Next thing you need to do is create your party. So select all the tickets or Magic Keys that you want to make a reservation for and scroll down to the bottom and hit that blue continue button once you've selected everybody in your party. From there, you'll be taken to the calendar. Now, the calendar is going to show you what days are available for you to reserve. So find the date that you want, click on it, and then it'll scroll down to the bottom a little bit, and you're going to choose your starting park. So you can either start at Disneyland or Disney California Adventure Park. But once you have that, if you have a park hopper ticket or a Magic Key, you can park hop anytime after 11 a.m. and you can go back and forth as many times as you want. After you've selected your park, hit continue at the bottom and don't stop there. You're not done. You don't have your reservation yet. You need to make sure that you scroll down on the next page. There's going to be some terms and conditions. You need to check the little box and then hit confirm changes. Once you hit that button, you will have your reservation. But if you don't hit that bottom button, your reservation will not be made. So do not skip this part or do not forget about this. Once you officially get your reservation, you're going to have an end screen that looks like this, and you will know that you officially have made your reservation to go to Disneyland. Now let's go back and let's say you need to change your reservation, whether you need to change the day or the starting park. What you're going to do is go back to the screen where you can see all of your reservations. Now, under the confirmation number of the reservation that you made, you'll see two options to either modify the reservation or cancel the reservation. So if you want to modify it, click that modify reservation button. Once you've done that, you'll be back at the screen where you need to select your party. So select everybody that you need to change the reservation for. And once you've done that, it'll take you back to the calendar again. So you can either change the date or change the starting park if the other starting park is available. And again, just make sure you hit the continue button at the bottom and follow through with those remaining steps. Now, if you need to cancel a reservation, you're going to be back at that screen where you can see all of your reservations, and underneath that confirmation number, again, you'll see either modify reservation or cancel reservation. So if you need to cancel, hit that cancel button. Again, you'll be back at the screen where you need to confirm who you're canceling for. Once you've done that, hit the blue button at the bottom that says continue. And again, it'll make sure that you really want to cancel. And at the bottom, you'll hit confirm changes. And once you confirmed your changes, you'll get another end screen that'll say that you have officially canceled that reservation. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. I have lots more tips, tricks, and fun videos coming for you at the Disneyland Resort. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.